Oh, Calvin Jones here, Park Pool Company. You know, we're here to talk about contact points. When you got a twist to the wrist and it's this kind of grip, you know you've got a problem. So as I was saying, grips should be on tight. They're contact points. We've got 3 of them. You don't want a loose saddle. You don't want slippery pedals, and you don't want your grips moving. We want those reliable and tight, good for handling, so it's good safety. Now these things, besides missing an end plug, are just plain old loose. That's not good. It's just so loose, I can just go ahead and I can just pull them off. And that simply is no good. Now, can we save them? Well, not really. You think, oh, I'll try it. I spray adhesive, put it in here, slide it on, it's gonna be fine. Doesn't work really well, not at all, because this has been deformed, it is stretched. This is stretched, so it's not grabbing tight. When we put these on new, it's a smaller diameter, and the rubber is gripping tight when it goes on, much like the preload in a bolt. Over a lot of use and a lot of time, they get thin, they get wore out, they get stretched, and they get loose. We end up with this. So, not a real good solution to glue them back on. What can we do? We can put new ones on, 2 types. The lock ring style, that's a good one. Tightens, stays really well. Or, back to the rubber type, slides on, cushy, less expensive, but the important thing is that smaller diameter and that fresh material is squeezing again like the preload of a bolt. They can hold really well. How to install them? Go to our video playlist on handlebars and stems and get a good grip.